Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to mix up a song. Mixing is the crucial step where individual tracks are blended into a cohesive and polished final product. We will explore the essential software and hardware you will need, such as a digital audio workstation and quality headphones. Preparing your tracks properly, like gain staging and organization, saves significant time and effort later on. Let's dive into making your music sound professional. Now, let's explore the core techniques. Equalization, or EQ, helps you sculpt the tone of each instrument, removing unwanted frequencies and enhancing desirable ones. Compression is vital for controlling the dynamic range, making quiet parts louder and loud parts softer, resulting in a more consistent sound. Panning allows you to position sounds across the stereo field, creating width and clarity in your mix, preventing instruments from clashing in the center. Moving to more advanced techniques, reverb and delay are powerful tools for adding spatial depth and atmosphere, making your mix feel larger and more immersive. Saturation and distortion can add warmth, grit, and harmonic richness, giving your sounds more character and presence. Automation is key for creating movement and excitement, allowing you to change volume, panning, or effects over time, keeping the listener engaged throughout the entire song. Finally, it is time to finalize your mix. Achieving a balanced mix means ensuring every element sits perfectly in the sonic landscape, with no single instrument overpowering another. Always check your mix on multiple playback systems, from studio monitors to car stereos and earbuds, to ensure it translates well everywhere. Once satisfied, prepare your 2-track stereo file for the mastering engineer, ensuring proper headroom and file format.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.